halfway down the hall.
Here, get your ass!
Get back here!
I'll position them. Hold on a minute. Keep walking, Gordo, forward. No, here, forward. Just over here. Walk up to the necklace there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that'll do you. When I blow the whistle, you start firing. When I blow the second whistle, you stop. If I see anybody else firing after that second whistle, you will then be in that firing squad. So pay attention. We go easy on the
Keep your legs nice and straight there, Carter.
And I will be watching you guys.
Thanks for that.
Going to hell for this, lads.
Show us your back, mate.
Fuck you.
Take off the mask so we can see the pain. Look at the pain. Happy birthday.
Well done.
Happy birthday.
Get it, Gordo.
You little bitch. Sorry, you get us over there, birthday.
Show your back there, Carter.
Well, pull up the jacket.
That's staying down.